Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to wake up.
Oh, come on. Can we just pretend it's still night?
No chance. It's a beautiful Saturday, and I want to enjoy the day with you. Look at the sun.
All right. You win. What time is it anyway?
It's almost 7:30. I'm going to go downstairs and start breakfast. Do you want coffee?
You know me too well. Yes, please. A big, strong cup.
You get dressed, and I'll start cooking.
Deal. And hey, since it's the weekend, are we talking about pancakes?
Pancakes coming right up.
Wow, it smells incredible in here. These pancakes look amazing.
Thank you. Your coffee is ready, Mr. Early Bird.
You're a lifesaver. So, what's on the agenda for today? Any big plans?
I was thinking we could go for a picnic in the park. Just the two of us, a proper escape.
A picnic? That sounds absolutely perfect. I need a day with no screens, no noise, just fresh air.
Exactly. I need a really peaceful day. Do you think we have enough time to get everything ready?
Of course, we just need to check the essentials. Sandwiches, fruit, drinks, and the all-important blanket.
Right. After we finish these pancakes, we pack the basket and we are out of here.
Sounds like a plan.
Tom, have you seen my sun hat? I can't find it anywhere.
I'm still looking for my car keys. I haven't even seen my phone yet.
Oh, wait, here it is. Never mind.
Good. Now, before we leave, do we need to take the sunscreen? It looks really bright outside.
Yes, definitely. It's going to be very sunny today. Please grab it.
Okay, let's check the list one last time. Sandwiches, fruit, drinks, blankets, sunscreen. Are we forgetting anything important?
Just one thing.
What? What is it?
Just you.
That's a bit cheesy, but I'll take it. Let's go. Okay, we are on the road. Do you want me to put on some music?
Yes, please. Maybe something calm and quiet. No loud radio today.
How is the traffic looking on your side?
It's actually pretty good. No big delays. That's a nice surprise for a Saturday.
I know. I love these slow, peaceful mornings. It feels like a real holiday.
Me too. It's so relaxing. We really should make time for this more often.
Definitely. Look, we are almost at the park entrance.
The air smells so clean today.
And warm, but the breeze feels nice.
Listen, the trees are making a soft sound.
Like they're whispering.
I love walking with you.
Same. When we walk, we talk more.
True. At home, we talk to our phones.
Sad but true.
Wow, Tom, look at this. The grass is so green and the air smells like flowers.
It's beautiful. Let's sit under that big tree. It looks like the perfect spot. It's far from the playground noise.
Good choice. It gives us great shade and the breeze feels so nice. Perfect.
Okay, I'll spread the blanket.
All right, let me help you.
Okay, that's perfect. Time to sit and relax. This is the life. Are you hungry? I'm starving.
Me too. Let's see what we have. Sandwiches, fruit, and some snacks.
I brought sparkling water. I hope it's still cold.
Sparkling water. Very fancy. I thought we were just having a picnic, but we're having a 5-star picnic today.
Only the best for my favorite picnic partner. I wouldn't trade this quiet moment for anything.
Me neither. It's so good to just stop and breathe. Now let's eat. I'm starving.
Me too. Let's eat.
This sandwich is amazing.
I'm glad you like it. It has lemon and herbs.
I can taste the lemon. It's fresh.
Listen, someone is playing guitar.
Yeah, it sounds peaceful.
I love this calm feeling.
Me too. I like being close to you.
Trying the grapes.
Sweet and cold. Perfect.
I could stay here all day.
Same. No work, no noise, just us.
Oh, careful. He's going for the food.
Shoo, go away.
Don't yell. You're scaring him.
I'm protecting our food.
You don't need to shout.
I didn't want everything to fall.
I know you were trying to help. I just hate when people shout.
I wasn't angry at you. I was just surprised. Sorry if I scared you.
It's okay. I overreacted.
That dog looked guilty, though.
Yes, he knew he was stealing. This feels so nice. I like just sitting here and watching people.
Me too. It's relaxing. Look, those kids are flying kites.
Their kites are so colorful. I like the red one. It looks like a bird.
And the blue one is shaped like a dragon. It keeps going up and down.
The kids are laughing so loudly. They sound so happy.
I wish I had that much energy.
You have energy. You just use it for eating snacks. Look over there. 2 teenagers are taking photos with their dog.
The dog looks confused, like, why are you making me pose?
Poor dog. But it's very cute.
Oh, and behind them, an older couple is playing cards.
That's sweet. They look calm and peaceful.
Yeah, like they don't care about anything except each other.
I like parks. Everyone does different things, but it all feels connected.
True. Kids run, adults rest, dogs sniff everything.
And we just sit and watch.
Best activity ever.
Do you remember when you tried to fly a kite and it got stuck in a tree?
Hey, that was only once. And the tree attacked me first.
Trees don't attack, Tom.
That one did. It had sharp branches.
You're so dramatic. I like days like this. Slow and simple.
Me too. Just watching life happen.
The air feels cooler now.
Yeah, and the park smells different. Like evening and grass.
I love that smell. Calm and soft.
My legs feel heavy. We walked so much today.
We definitely burned more calories than we ate. I love days when you're relaxed like this. When you smile like a kid.
I love days when you wake me up early for pancakes.
Early? You acted like it was 4 a.m.
It felt like 4 a.m. Let's do another picnic soon.
Yes, obviously.
Deal. Another messy, perfect day.